the Techipedia. Hit on the subscribe button, hit the notification bell icon, and you can enjoy weekly techie videos. So it's a warm welcome from me, Debargo, to the Techipedia, and today we'll be showcasing top 7 Chrome extension that will change the way of using your Google Chrome forever. So there may be extensions that you have already tried, but there will be some that you haven't. So without any further ado, let's get straight into the video and let's show you what are those. So the first Chrome extension that will be showing you is the Grammarly, and one of the top rated Chrome extension. And so the Grammarly is basically, as the name suggests, for grammatical things, and definitely it's an amazing thing. You can choose from the English you tend to prefer, American English or the British English. And let's just try out this extension just by going to Gmail and composing a mail, just to show you an example. It's also very useful if you're using any professional activities or any fun activities, such as in the social networking sites such as Facebook or any other thing. So as you can see, I'm just typing out a simple sentence, and in the below the red marker is nothing but the Grammarly error, and just the red marker, just tap on the red marker and you can see you can browse through the words, and also it helps in framing the sentence perfectly grammatically, so that it also, you can just double click on the words to find synonyms and the meaning of the word. So an amazing Chrome extension, to be honest, and also it is very useful when you are typing any professional emails or any professional paraphrases or anything, just like you're typing any messages to your friend, or a post in your Facebook. So it helps a lot, seriously, so that you can frame your sentence perfectly with everything. So an amazing extension, to be honest. So the next extension that I'll be showing you is the Google Translate, and as we already know, the Google Translate is used for translating. And so what you can do is, there's the box, you can just type out any word and it will just translate it. Okay, so just like I'm typing hola and it just translates Spanish to English, you can just change the word text. So by just browsing through the words, by browsing through the languages you want to. Let's try any Spanish language. So okay. Okay, so it's better that we frame anything hola. So again, the Spanish language that I already tried. So what you can do is just mark anything what you're viewing on the web page. Just you can just mark and just select it, and then you can go through the thing. So it's very useful if you're going through any word, or in the social networking media, if you're going through any word that you don't know what will be the actual meaning in English, then it's a perfect thing. As you can see, it's in the Turkish, and you can browse through anything, like there will be nouns and other things, and there are so many languages to choose from, starting from regional languages to international languages too. So yep. And also another thing that it helps out is, if the page if the current page is in a different language, or in the language you can't follow, then you can just translate the page easily just by tapping on the translate. And let me just show you. Okay. So as you can see, okay, so there you go with the translate this page, and you can just translate. So an amazing application, rather extension, which is just one click away to go through so many things. The next extension will be focusing on the Evernote Clipper, and as we all know, the Evernote in the Lenovo devices are for writing notes, but here the Evernote Web Clipper is something a bit different. So let's go and show you how we can be using this one. So let's just type Google, and as you can see, just click on this one as the Google pop-out comes, and as you can see, there's the mail, so that you can just save your email there. You can go to the article, you can just simplify that full page, bookmark that, screenshot that, and what you can do is just, and then you can just add tags. And another thing that it helps you is just transferring these things, transferring this particular bookmark or this particular article, particular clippings through the signed in app and signed in device where you are using this particular Evernote Clipper. With what you just will be requiring is just sign into your email, and then you can just save it here, and you can find it anywhere where you are using Evernote Clipper. So another application that is quite useful if you are doing any research work or anything, or any important thing that you find out on the internet. So without any worry, you can just use this Evernote Clipper and it works very fine. And pretty simple to use too. So the next one that I'll be showing you is the Momentum. Okay, so it's basically a theme, Kinder theme like thing. So you can just enter your name to any of the devices you're using at present. So it changes the new tab. You'll have the option, but it changes the new tab from the current new tab that you were having to the Momentum new tab, and it will be having, okay, so let's just go to the new tab, and as you can see, the time, what's your main focus for today, better to do something imperfectly than to do nothing flawlessly. So there will be quotes that will be regularly updated. Also you can go through the settings, and so you can just you'll be getting each and every sites. Nothing much change, but the only change that will be you'll be having is that your homepage will be changed. And let's just, you'll be showing you with the bookmarks too. You can also get the bookmarks through other things. So as you can see, there's a Bidhanagar 17 degree, and you can just set your main focus. There will be a to-do list too. So let's just type this, what is your main focus for today, to make YT hits for today, and then you'll be showing for every time, each and every time you open the Google Chrome, so that you don't forget. There will be also to-do list. There will be the Chrome tab, so that you can switch to the Chrome tab, and again it will come back to its original state. There will be the links, and there will be apps, so that you can go through extension or any other apps that you have. And for the bookmarks that you have, nothing to do, so you can just type any to do one step at a time, so anything that you like. So a very good thing, and a very good extension again. Let me just remove it. So the fifth one will be the Giphy. Now the Giphy is again, now at present we use a lot of GIFs, right? We use a lot of GIFs and send to our friends through Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, and so many things. So you can just go search any GIFs that you like, the popular GIFs, and you can just copy the link and just paste it there, paste it in your Facebook link or the link you're using at present, and then you can just paste it in Facebook or any other social media. Also you can search through what you wanna see, just like I'm typing Cristiano. No worry Messi fans, I just type out Cristiano to show you that you can just browse the selections on GIFs that you get. So it's a very good application if you are fond of GIFs and want to send to other friends. The number 6 is Speed Test by Ookla. So definitely you'll have the application on your phone, but if you're using your net on your PC, then no need to go to the web page, and just have this extension and then click on that one time click, just click on the test, and then it will be checking with the ping, download and upload speed. Like the download speed is currently 24.47 Mbps, the upload I guess will be 5 something, 5 I hope so. I'm not sure. So let's see. Okay, 4.87, close to 5, approximately I'll have 5. And again, a very good thing, you can just sign in with your account, and a very one-time go extension is a perfect thing. So the next extension and the last extension for today's will be Send Anywhere. Now I liked it very much, and why, and I'll be showing you. Just go to the download section. I'll be putting through any file and you can send this file. Okay, go to the download section. There are many movies I'll be having, so let's get the Justice League Unite the League. So you have to just drag it and then drop it. So max file is 10 GB and you can send up to 50 GB. So what you can do is just have the QR code and just have it an application on your phone, just send, and then you can receive this file. Also you have the input key and the receive one, and the third thing will be you can just email this one. So like this you can see, and also have the topic, subject, and anything message optional you want. So again, an amazing thing, to be honest, so that you can find and you can send anything to your friends without any havoc. So okay, so a fine extension, right? And let's just close it. And so I hope that I'll be ending this video. So don't forget to like this video, share this video with your friends, and I hope that you enjoyed this. We'll be using any of these extensions too on your device, and do follow us on the social networking sites and subscribe to our channel. Of course, hit that notification bell icon so that you can receive weekly notifications for our videos, and hope to meet you soon. It's a goodbye.